Hello, students. Good morning. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe. In our previous class of maths, we have completed part 1 of chapter 11. In today's session, we will start our new part, that is part 2, and we will do our further topic. Okay, so let's start. Mathematics Standard 5, chapter 11, Area and its Boundary, part 2. On your textbook, page number 148, this topic of practice time is given. If you are not able to see the handwriting in the video, you can open your textbook. All the things are already given in your textbook. So let's start without wasting our time. In that question A, Arbaz planned to tile his kitchen floor with green square tiles. Each side of the tile is 10 centimeter. His kitchen is 220 centimeter in length and 180 centimeter wide. How many tiles will he need? Now what is the question? Length and width of the kitchen is given and length of tile is given, right? And we have to count that how many total tile will be needed to fix in the kitchen. Okay, so let's solve the answer. First of all, method. Area of floor, it means what is the length and width of kitchen. We will put the value in our formula. Length is 220 centimeter and width 180 centimeter. When you will do the multiplication of 220 and 180, it will be 39,600 square centimeter. Why we will use square word? Because we are finding the area, and I have already told you in earlier chapters that area is always measured in square. So in our answer we will use word square. Now area of tile, side into side, because tile is given in which form? Square form. And we know that square has only one length. It means square shape have no width. Okay, so instead of that we will put formula side into side. Now what is the side of tile? 10 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So 10 tens are 100 square centimeter. Now till the here what we have do, area of floor and area of tile we have found already. Now what we will do to find the number of tiles? Hence the number of tile equal to area of floor divided by area of one tile. Here we have found the area of one tile, right? So what we will do here? Area of floor divided by area of one tile. So 39,600 divided by 100. Now what will happen? This common 0 we will cut, right? Hundreds 2 0 and this 2 0 we will cut because this 2 0 are common. Now what is remaining from your numerator? Only 396. It means you can say that 396 tile will be needed to fix it in the kitchen, right? Our next question. The fencing of square garden is 20 meter in length. Fencing, they are talking about fencing, right? So fencing of square garden is 20 meter in length. How long is one side of the garden, right? First of all, we will solve the sum by method. Length of fencing equal to perimeter of square garden equal to 20 centimeter. Now length of fencing is given, it means what? Perimeter is given, क्योंकि perimeter में हम क्या करते थे? Sides जो है उनका total करते थे, और यहाँ पे तो हमें total ही दे दिया है. It means क्या आंसर है? Perimeter का आंसर. So here we will write perimeter of square garden equal to 20 meter, right? Length of one side of square garden इक्वल टू पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर गार्डन डिवाइडेड बाय 4, बिकॉज पेरीमीटर का फॉर्मूला क्या है, लेंथ मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4, राइट, or 4 multiplied by length. You can write vice versa, right? So 4 times we are adding length. So what we will do here, perimeter of square garden divided by 4. Divided by 4 means it's 4 sides. So 20 divided by 4. So 5 meter. We can say that one side must be of 5 meter. Clear? Now next one. A thin wire 20 centimeter long is formed into a rectangle. 20 सेंटीमीटर का लॉन्ग वायर हम फॉर्म कर रहे हैं एक रेक्टेंगल के ऊपर. इफ द विड्थ ऑफ दिस रेक्टेंगल इज 4 सेंटीमीटर, व्हाट इज इट्स लेंथ. अगर यही रेक्टेंगल की लेंथ है, अगर मैं फाइंड आउट करनी है और विड्थ हमें दी है कितनी है, 4 सेंटीमीटर, और उसका टोटल भी दिया हुआ है कि रेक्टेंगल जो है पर्टिकुलर उसका टोटल हो रहा है 20. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल पुट द वैल्यू इन आवर फॉर्मूला. हाउ टू सॉल्व, सी हियर रेक्टेंगल इज फॉर्म्ड फ्रॉम अ 20 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग वायर. सो पेरीमीटर ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल इज 20 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ what is the formula to find perimeter of rectangle? 2 into bracket length plus breadth, right, equal to 20 centimeters. 20 centimeter because it is already given here. Now we will put the value in it. 2 as it is. Instead of length we will write again length because length we have to found. Instead of width we will keep 4 because already given in question that width is 4 centimeter and total answer of perimeter is 20 centimeter. Now when you will open this bracket it will be multiplied as I have told you. So now what will happen, 2 multiplied by length and 2 multiplied by 4 will be 8. Clear? Here how 8 will come, when we will open this bracket 2 will multiply with 4, so 2 4s are 8 and 20 centimeter remaining as it is. Now 2 into length we will keep in our left side and this 8 we will write in our right side. So sign will be changed now because 8 is given in positive sign. When we will change its side and we will put it in right side from the left side, it will be negative 8. It means कि -8. So यहाँ पे 8 को हम लेके जा रहे हैं 20 की साइड पे, तो प्लस की साइन हो जाएगी माइनस. इट मीन्स 20 minus 8, it will be 12. Clear? Now we will separate this 2 and length. What is the relation between 2 and length right now? It is the relation of multiplication, right? So when we will change this side, it will be divide because multiplication का opposite क्या हो जाएगा, divide. Clear? So when we are changing the side of 2, it will be divide. So 12 divided by 2, it will be 6 centimeter. Now you can check that your answer is correct or not. You have got length 6 centimeter, right? So here you will put 6 centimeter and here 4 is already there. So 6 plus 4, it will be 10 and 10 multiplied by 2, it will be 20. 20 is coming. It means your answer is right. Clear? Now question D. A square carom board has a perimeter of 320 centimeter. How much is its area? Now square carom board is there and perimeter is given this time and we have to find the sides. Clear? So we will put the value 320 centimeter in our formula. Perimeter of square carom board equal to 320 centimeters. So the length of one side of carom board equal to perimeter of carom board divided by 4. So 320 is given and we know that in perimeter and in square shape there are 4 sides. So we will divide it with 4. So we can say one particular side is must be of 80 centimeter. Now we have got the side, so we can found the area of that square carom board, right? So the area of square carom board equal to length multiplied by length, or you can put this formula also, length square, right? Length multiplied by length also 80 multiplied by 80, and if you are putting this formula length square, then also 80 is a square. It means 80 multiplied by 80. 80 multiplied by 80 directly you can calculate. 8 8s are 64, and rest to 0 you can add with 64, so it will be 6400 square centimeter. Is that clear? Now our next question. How many tiles like the triangle given here will fit in white design? Area of design equal to dash square centimeter, right? Now here you can see in a bracket one triangle shape is given, and it is showing that 1/2 of square centimeter. Particular one triangle is of 1/2 square centimeter. So first of all, here how many tiles we can fix of triangle shape? So here you can see one triangle is given. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 tiles here at the corner, and here we can fix total 2 tile, because if we make this line here it will be 2 triangle, right? So we can say total 6 tile will fit in the white design, and area of design is 3 square centimeter. How many tiles will be needed to fix in this shape? 6 tile. And here what measurement is given? Particular one tile is of half centimeter, so 6 divided by 2, it will be 3 square centimeter. So we can say this 6 tile have area 3 square centimeter. Clear? Here method is also given. Here one triangle is of 1 centimeter side square. Area of design equal to area of a full square equal to 1 plus area of 4 half square. So 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Area of one triangular tile, area of 1/2 square equal to half square centimeter. Now number of tile equal to area of design. Area of design is what? And area of one triangular tile is what? So here area of design is 3 square centimeter as we have found earlier, and area of one triangular tile, so 1/2. And as I have told you in earlier chapter that denominator will be our numerator. So यहाँ पे denominator का denominator क्या है? 2. तो ये 2 ऊपर चला जाएगा 3 के बाजू में, तो क्या हो जाएगा? 3 2s are 6. So we can say number of tiles needed will be 6. Clear? Make your own design of area 4 square centimeter and 6 square centimeter. Now we have to make our own design. So we need 2 triangle for 1 square centimeter, right? 2 triangles. So we need 4 into 2 equal to 8 triangle for 4 square centimeter. यहाँ पे आगे के यहाँ पे क्या था कि टू ट्राइंगल एक साथ दिया है, राइट? इट मीन्स कि वो स्क्वायर शेप फॉर्म कर रहा है. तो यहाँ पे क्या बोला है, खुद की डिज़ाइन जो हमें बनानी है उसमें वी नीड 2 ट्राइंगल्स फॉर 1 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर, कि अगर 2 ट्राइंगल चाहिए तो 1 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर उसका एरिया होगा. सो वी नीड 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 इक्वल टू 8 ट्राइंगल फॉर 4 square centimeter, and 6 into 2 equal to 12 triangles for 6 square centimeter. Clear? Now here we are making our design. First of all, design for design of 4 square centimeter and design of 6 square centimeter. Now 4 square centimeters design, here we can say two tiles will be needed. Here also two tile, here also two tile, and this two tile. Clear? So how many tiles total needed? 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 and 2 8. And what will be the area of this 8 tile? It is 4 square centimeter, right? Now 6 square centimeter area, so 6 double, it will be 12. So 12 tiles should be needed to cover particular shape. So first of all count this 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, plus 2 8, plus 2 10, and this 2 will make 12. So total 12 tile will be needed to cover this shape. And what is the area of this 12 tile? 6 square centimeter. Clear? Now Sanya, Arushi, Manav and Kabir made greeting cards. Complete the table for their cards. Now here we have to solve this table first of all. And is in this table, what thing is given to you? Whose card? It means name is given, length given, width given, perimeter and area, right? Now first of all we will solve the answer of Sanya, right? So length is 10 centimeter and width is 8 centimeter. We have to find the perimeter as well as its area. So let's see perimeter formula, 2 into bracket length plus width, because length and width are different. It means it must be of rectangle shape. So we will keep the formula to find the rectangle, perimeter of rectangle, this formula. 2 as it is, instead of length we will keep 10 and instead of width we will keep 8. So 10 plus 8 it will be 18, and when this bracket open it will be multiplied. So 2 18s are 36, right? So we have got answer 36 in perimeter and area, length multiplied by width. So 10 multiplied by 8 equal to 80 square centimeter. Now what about Manav? Length is given and perimeter is given, right? We have to find the width as well as its area. We have length 11 centimeter and perimeter 44 centimeter. Now perimeter equal to 2 into bracket length plus width. Now perimeter is given, so we will put 44 instead of perimeter. 2 as it is, length and width. Instead of length we will keep 11 and width we have to find, right? So what we will do here now, 44 as it is, when you will open this bracket it will be multiplied. So 11 2s are 22 and 2 multiplied by width, right? Now here 44 and here 22. So you will change the side of 22. It is given on the right side, but you will place it on the left side, and when you will keep this 22 in the left side it will be minus, right? because यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव 22 है, तो उसकी साइड चेंज करने के बाद वो क्या हो जाता है? नेगेटिव. इट मीन्स कि माइनस. सो 44 minus 22 it will be 22 and 2 multiplied by width remain here. Now what we will do? We will keep 2 in our left side. Again sign will be changed. What is the relation between 2 and width? Multiplied. So opposite relation of multiplied will be divide. So यहाँ पे 2 की साइड जब हम चेंज कर रहे हैं तो डिवाइड में आ जाएगा. तो 22 divided by 2 it will be 11. It means we can say the length of this should be 11 and width also it should be 11. Clear? Now area we have to find. So length multiplied by breadth. 11 multiplied by 11, 121 square centimeter. Clear? Now Arushi, width is given and area is given, right? And we have to find its length and its perimeter. So what we will do here now, width of card is 8 centimeter and area of card is 80 square centimeter. Area equal to length multiplied by width. So area is already given to us, so we will keep the value 80 instead of area, and length we have to find, but width is already given, that is 8 centimeter. Now what we will do, we will keep this length multiplied by width in our left side and this area we will write in our right side. So length we will keep as it is, instead of width we will keep 8, and instead of area we will keep 80. Now we will change the side of 8. It will be what it will be. Now 8 is given in relation multiplied, but when we will change this side it will be divide. So 80 divided by 8. 80 divided by 8, it will be 10 centimeter equal to, now formula, right? We have got our length, so we will find the perimeter. 2 into bracket length plus width. Length we have got 10 centimeter and width already given in our question, that is 8 centimeter. So 10 plus 8, it will be 18, and when you will open this bracket it will be multiplied. So 18 to the 36. And our last sum, it is of Kabir. In that, what is given? Perimeter is given and area is given. Length and width we have to found, right? Perimeter is 40 centimeter and area 100 square centimeter. So here we have perimeter 40 centimeter and area 100 square centimeter. Hence 2 into bracket length plus width equal to 40 centimeter, right? Now लेंथ प्लस विथ इक्वल टू 40 डिवाइडेड बाय 2. 40 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 कहाँ से आएगा? ये 2. ओके, ये 2 की साइड हम चेंज कर रहे हैं तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? डिवाइड. तो हमें यहाँ पे क्या करना है कि लेंथ प्लस विथ जो बाकी बच रहा है फॉर्मूला में से, और यहाँ पे 40 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 इट विल बी 20, राइट? और यहाँ पे क्या है? लेंथ मल्टीप्लाई बाय विथ इक्वल टू 100, क्योंकि ये एरिया का फॉर्मूला है, लेंथ मल्टीप्लाई बाय विथ. अब हमें यहाँ पे फैक्टराइज इस तरह से करना है दो नंबर का कि दोनों नंबर का एडिशन 20 हो और उसी दो नंबर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन 100 हो, राइट? सो लेट अस फैक्टराइज 100 इन सच अ वे दैट बोथ फैक्टर्स एड अप टू 20. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 100 के फैक्टर 2 इंटू 50 है, तो 2 प्लस 50 इक्वल टू 52 हो जाते हैं, राइट? सो दिस फैक्टर इज नॉट पॉसिबल. 100 के दूसरे फैक्टर है 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 25, बट 4 प्लस 25 इट विल बी 29. सो दिस फैक्टर इज ऑल्सो नॉट पॉसिबल. 100's another factor 5 multiplied by 20, it should be 100, but when we will do the addition of 5 and 20 it will be 25. So this factor is also not possible. Now another factor of 100, 10 tens are 100 and 10 plus 10 it will be 20. So we can say length and width of tile or side is 10 centimeter, बिकॉज हम यहाँ पे अगर 10 की वैल्यू पुट करें तो 10 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 100 हो जाता है, और यहाँ पे 10 प्लस 10 करेंगे तो यहाँ पे आंसर आ जाएगा 20. सो वी कैन से लेंथ इक्वल टू 10 centimeter and width also 10 centimeter. Clear? So here we are completing our part 2 session. In our next session we will start our part 3 and our further topics. Okay, till that, bye, thank you and take care.